Who are you when no one is watching? Not the version of you that the world sees, not the version that shows up at work, in the gym, or on social media. I'm talking about the man you are when you're completely alone. Because here's the truth that most men don't want to face. Many successful men are living a double life. On the outside, they look disciplined. They look successful. They look like they have everything together. Behind closed doors, they're hiding secrets. Secrets that slowly eat away at their identity. And the most dangerous part about it, nobody sees it. Not their coworkers, not their friends, sometimes not even their wives. And if you're listening to this right now and this hits a little close to home, I want you to know something. You are not alone. But if you don't confront this, it will eventually destroy the man you're trying to become. Today, we're talking about the secret life that many high-performing men are living with. The psychology, the cost of secrets, what success actually makes easier to hide, and how a man finally breaks free from living this divided identity. Guys, welcome to The Rebuilt Man. My name is Coach Frank Rich, host and founder here, and it's been our mission for the last 6 years to help men just like you, those caught up in the depths of pornography addiction, take back control, reclaim their identities, rebuild their lives, and step into a life of absolute freedom. And what we're talking about here today, the split identity. This was my life. Years ago, not that many years ago, I looked like I had it all together. I was a competitive bodybuilder. I was building businesses. I was disciplined in my workouts. I was disciplined with my diet. But the outside looking in, people saw a man who had everything dialed in. But what they didn't see was the secret life I was living. Behind closed doors, I was battling porn addiction, and I carried that secret for over 20 years. And the craziest part is this: the more successful I became on the outside, the more painful that secret felt on the inside. Because the world saw one version of me, but I knew the truth. And there are nights where I would sit there after acting out that I just felt completely empty. I felt ashamed. I felt like a fraud, like I was living a lie because I was. And on the outside, I looked strong, but inside, I felt dead. And that split identity was slowly destroying a man. There's a quote from the book Atomic Habits by James Clear, and it hits this perfectly. James says, what you do when you're by yourself is really who you are. And that's where that conflict begins, because the world sees one version of you, the disciplined professional, the leader, the successful man. But when you're alone, you know your private habits. You know the things you're hiding. And when those two identities don't match, your mind starts to fracture. You start feeling like a fraud. You start feeling like you're wearing a mask, because you are. And that internal tension creates massive amount of shame. And one of the biggest myths about porn addiction is that it only affects weak men. But the reality is the complete opposite. Over the years, I've worked with professional athletes, doctors, lawyers, entrepreneurs, executives, men making hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars a year. Men who look incredibly successful on the outside, yet they're secretly sneaking away every day for what they call private time. And it's not because they're bad men. It's because high performers carry massive levels of pressure, stress, responsibility, expectations, and porn becomes an escape, a quick dopamine hit, a momentary release. But that escape slowly turns into a trap. I remember working with a client a few years ago. This guy was incredibly successful. Multiple 7-figure businesses, beautiful home, reputation. From the outside, you would never imagine this guy was struggling with anything. But when he joined the program, he told me something that stuck with me. This gentleman said, Frank, I run a company with over 100 employees. People look at me like I have my life completely together. And then he paused. And he said, but every day around 2:30 in the afternoon, I lock my office door and I watch porn on my phone. And he said something I'll never forget. He said, I feel like the biggest hypocrite in the world. That's the double life. And thousands of men are living this life right now. Now, here's the ironic part, is success actually protects this addiction, because success creates a reputation shield. People assume successful men are disciplined. People assume they have control. People assume they have their lives together. So no one asks questions. And on top of that, successful men often have more privacy, private offices, business travel, hotel rooms, late nights working. And all of that creates perfect environment for secrecy, which allows the addiction to quietly continue for years, maybe even decades. But living this life comes with a cost, and it comes with a cost most men don't talk about. Secrecy destroys your self-respect. You start looking in the mirror differently. It destroys your authentic confidence because deep down, you know you're hiding something. It creates distance in your relationships because real intimacy, real connection requires honesty. And perhaps worst of all, it disconnects you from your own identity. You start wondering, who am I really? The man the world sees or the man I am behind closed doors? And carrying that secret drains your energy every single day. If a man is living this split identity, there are usually signs. He becomes extremely secretive with his phone. He avoids deep conversations about his inner life. He feels like a fraud despite his success. He struggles with real intimacy. He escapes to porn whenever stress hits. And then afterward, he feels empty, ashamed, disappointed in himself. Yet the cycle only continues to repeat itself. Now, the hardest part for successful men is admitting this problem because their entire identity is built around being strong, being disciplined, being in control. So admitting a struggle feels like a weakness. There's fear. There's a fear of losing respect, fear of damaging your reputation, fear of what people will think. So instead of telling the truth, men hide, and the secrecy keeps them stuck. I remember a moment inside of one of our brotherhood calls. A new guy joined the community, and for the first 20 minutes, he barely said a word. And then finally, he spoke up, and in his voice, you could hear the shaking. He said, I've been struggling with this for over 18 years. He said he had never told anyone before, not his wife, not his friends, not a pastor, nobody. And then he finally said it out loud. You could hear the emotion in his voice. But something amazing happened next. That other men on the call started speaking up. One by one, they said, me too. Same here, brother, you are not alone. And you could literally hear the relief in this guy's voice. Because for the first time in almost 2 decades, the secret was gone. The truth was finally out in the open. And that's where real transformation can begin. We know the turning point is truth. Addiction thrives in secrecy, but truth breaks the cycle. The moment a man can stop hiding, the moment he brings a struggle into light, that's when things start to change. Because the secret no longer has power. And that's why the first step towards freedom is honesty. Honesty with yourself, honesty with other men, and honesty about the life you actually want to live. Freedom from porn isn't about stopping a behavior. It's about rebuilding an identity. It's about becoming a man whose private life matches his public persona. A man of integrity, a man with nothing to hide. And that's exactly why I've created Reboot Your Life. It is a system designed to help men rebuild discipline, restore self-respect, and create a new identity. But perhaps the more important part than the system is our brotherhood. Because men do not overcome addiction in isolation, they overcome it in community. The most powerful man in the world is not the man with the most money or the most status or the most success. The most powerful man in the world is the man who has nothing left to hide. A man whose public life and private life are one and the same. A man who can look in the mirror with peace. A man who lives with integrity. And if you're tired of living a double life, if you're tired of carrying secrets, today can be the turning point for you. If you're ready to take the first step towards rebuilding the man you're meant to be, start right now by joining us in the free 7-day porn reset. This is the exact system that has helped thousands of men break the cycle and start rebuilding their lives. You can join today and get started at therebuiltman.com/7-day reset, or click the link down there in the show notes below. You don't have to keep carrying this alone. Truth is the first step. Brotherhood is the path, and freedom is possible. Join us at therebuiltman.com/7-day reset. And brother, we'll see you on the inside.